Happy Monday, everybody. We are 9 days now into September. I'm meteorologist Robert Suhr with another look at that forecast. Even though it's September, it's still going to feel like summer first half of the week, with temperatures quickly rising by tomorrow and Wednesday into the upper 80s and lower 90s before we start to cool off by the end of the week, as we're watching the potential for quite a bit of rainfall to roll in here. Now, dew points, how sticky it feels, the true measure of moisture in the air, will remain nice and dry pretty much all week long, starting to increase as we get into Thursday and Friday, but still 50s for dew points is not that bad. Most of us will certainly take that. Now, overall, nice and quiet today. The only exception would be we are watching some upper level wildfire smoke way up in the atmosphere that could filter out the sun at times, but that's the worst case scenario here. Overall, it's going to be another great day. Now, I will say, like I said earlier, the wildfire smoke that's in the atmosphere could create very vibrant sunsets. You get those fine particulates from that smoke. It kind of scatters the light a little bit more from the sun and really creates very, very vibrant sunsets for the most part. So check that out this evening. Notice tonight, really nothing to worry about, not even clouds. And then as we wake up tomorrow morning, 40s and 50s, on our way to temperatures back into the upper 70s and lower 80s by the lunchtime on Tuesday. Then our attention turns to the tropics, Gulf of Mexico here. Large area of disturbed weather that is expected to develop into our next tropical system that would be known as Francine. Could be a hurricane if it makes landfall here middle part of the week on the western Louisiana coast before moving up the Mississippi and Ohio River valleys. And by the end of the week, that center could be right over about Cape Girardeau, and that could spread plenty of rainfall in our area. But very, very fluid situation. You're going to want to keep checking back with us all week long for updates on Francine's exact track. So lower 80s today for much of the tri-state. A gorgeous day. Nothing to worry about if you have outdoor plans besides that little bit of haze in the sky. 40s and 50s yet again tonight. Another great night for sleeping and cracking open the windows. And then you see we're quiet first half of the week. Clouds will increase quickly out ahead of Francine, and then here comes that rainfall potential for the end of the week. But again, very, very fluid. You're going to want to keep checking back with us for updates.